G'day guys, Shannon here from Shannons Engineering. Just finished another ute tray for a D40 Navara. Thought I'd give you a quick tour around on some of the features it's got. A little bit more simple than the Land Cruisers we've been doing lately, but nonetheless, job's a job. We still give it the same attention to detail as every other tray. So, showing you 2008 model. Owner just bought it. He's a chippy, so he wanted to invest a bit of money into it and just make it right for him. He's planning on having 2 toolboxes down the sides, so that's why it doesn't have any sides itself. I've got a matching back rack which is removable. It's also been made the same height as the roof racks for carrying timbers and stuff. We've incorporated some stainless steel ratchet straps, so for tying down shit on the roof. Easily removable. Just take this set screws out and it's good to go. We've also added a few little features to this back rack which make it quite unique. One, it's removable. 2, it comes with a bottle opener. And 3, we've got a little switch here and we've incorporated a little LED light, so it lights up the tray area. Doesn't look like much now, but should be good at night time. When you want to remove the tray, the backboard, underneath there's a plug, so you just take the plug out and it'll come straight off. What else? We've filled in the mudguard holes so you don't look straight into the side of the chassis, and we've also put the fuel filler here. He's got a big long-range tank there, and we've had a bit of issues with having our fuel filler here. It takes a bit long to fill up, so we've decided to just put it in the wheel arch there. It's got an O-ring in it, so it'll be good. Okay, in the toolbox, again we've got the hidden tap system, which is pretty popular with all our trays now. You just got a little switch there and a little light, and that's turned the pump on. You can also connect the tap underneath and still use it. Inside the toolbox, we're starting to put USB outlet and a SIG socket for charging your phone, camera, drone, whatever, tools, power tools. Under the tray we've got a 110 amp hour AGM battery and a CTEK smart charger. In this box, another tap, another switch. This switch turns the light on, and that tap is actually to fill the tank instead of having it underneath the car. So that's pretty much it for this tray. Again, like I said, it's nothing spectacular with heaps and heaps of electronics and stuff like that, but it's still a good all-rounder tray. It's going to suit the chippy exactly how he wants it. We've also designed the shape of the racks there to suit his toolboxes, so when they go on it's just going to look absolutely amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, hope you like it, and any questions just contact us at sales@shannonsengineering.com.au. We're happy to take your